I've always ride with Santa. Me and Santa are tight, we go back a long way. He's got nice wheels. He's got the reindeers, he's got horses, carriages, he's got everything, you know. We have an agreement with Santa. As long as I'm not too bad, he looks after me, you know. He's coming to Arnotts and he's been very good to Laura Lynn. He filled me in on what's going on, so, you know, €5 to come visit him, and that 100% goes to Laura Lynn, which is amazing. I think Christmas time is the perfect time for to start being a bit mushy and to be a bit sensitive and to kind of start doing good things. And you should be kind of pursuing happiness in some way and do nice things for other people. It'll make you feel better. It's being charitable, and it's taking it from Christmas and just spreading it out through the year, you know. And try and be happy. That's my little message here. Try and be happy.